Welcome back guys, and if you are having a mobile and you are facing hanging issues, battery issues and RAM problem, then this video is for you. Welcome back in this video, and if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel, so not wasting much of your time, just going to the video. If you are facing that type of problem, go to the Chrome and press the three dots here, go to the setting, and then here sync is on. First what you need to do, made it off and untick all the ticks. This will now the addresses, bookmark, history, password, reading list, tabs, it will not be synced, and you can see the increase of speed. And let's go to the another setting, then go to the privacy and security, and here always use secure connection. If it is off, made it on. Then here safe browsing coming, shift it to enhanced protection, faster proactive protection against dangerous websites, downloads, extensions. It warns you about the password breaches, requires browsing data to be set. So if it is on, what will you get benefit? If you are visiting some harmful websites, viruses may not be downloaded to your mobile, and if it is off, then they may get downloaded, and that may cause for hanging of your mobile. So this will increase your speed, reduce the hanging issues. Now then coming to the third setting, go back and just go to the notifications. Here it should be off, it is already off. If it is on, it should be, make it off. What you will get benefit from it, your battery life will be increased. And also go to the themes and switch it to the dark mode. When the dark mode is activated, you will see that in night you will feel reduced stress in your eyes, and also you can see the amount of battery life increase in your mobile. So battery issues may be addressed. For video purpose of view, I am going to the light mode. So this was the third, and then third and fourth, and then go back, go to the Chrome, long press it, and here I is coming, just tap on I. So you will go to the storage, just free this size, whatever it may be, clear cache, then manage storage, then free up spaces, whatever it is coming, just clear all data. So it will just increase the memory in your RAM, and usable memory in your RAM, and your mobile may get faster. So then one thing you can also do, just go back, go to the Chrome, go to the settings, go to the privacy and security, and here clear browsing data. You can also clear all the browsing data here. If you are not cleared, sometimes several MBs of data is there, in fact sometimes in GB also. So you should clear, you should also see and feel the difference in the speed and the hanging issues. So these are all the things I wanted to tell you, 6-7 settings. If you do these settings in your mobile, you will feel the considerable amount of difference in your performance of the mobile. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much guys.